Hey crafters, it's Alex Vanover, and today I'm back in the 651VINYL studio to talk to you about one of our favorite things, grab boxes. So if you're here, you're probably wondering what a grab box is and how do you get one. So I'm going to answer both of those questions for you in this video, and we're going to take a look at an HTV grab box today. If you want to see what an adhesive grab box looks like, I'll show you that in the next video. This is an HTV grab box straight off the pallet, getting produced with all of our other HTV grab boxes, so I have no idea what's inside, but I'm going to open it to give you an idea of what you might find in your HTV grab box. So first, let's talk about what a grab box is. A grab box is a box of either all HTV or all adhesive vinyl that contains half to full sheets of vinyl with minor flaws. So that might mean that there's some adhesive from it being on the end of the roll, there might be a crinkle or a wrinkle in it, but it's still very high quality, very usable vinyl that we can't sell as A grade. So we package it up in a box and we sell it to you at a great price so that you can still take advantage of this awesome product. Since we release limited numbers of grab boxes and we don't do them on any particular time schedule, you can't simply add your grab boxes to the cart from our website and check out like a normal product. We have a specific process that we follow, and so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. It all starts with a post going out in our Facebook group. That post will tell you what time that day grab boxes are going to be released, how many are going to be released of HTV, adhesive, or sometimes both, and how many of each we are going to have. So that post will open up and you can ask any questions or tag your friends and let them know that grab boxes are coming. Then at whatever time we tell you a grab box is going to be released, a brand new post will appear in our Facebook group with the link to the grab boxes. There will be a separate link for HTV and adhesive if we decide to do both grab boxes in one day. Then in order to get a grab box, you must click the link in the Facebook group and go to the product and check out as fast as you can in order to get one. Like I said, you will not find them live on our website because that's just not how we do grab boxes. Since I mentioned the competition is fierce, let's talk about some ways that you can increase your chances of getting a grab box. And the first one is to have some patience. Most people don't get grab boxes on the very first try. So go into it excited, ready to get a sale, kind of like Black Friday. Sometimes you go and stand in line for things and you hope that they're going to have one, but if they don't, it's all in good fun and it's all good. So be prepared and excited, but if you don't get one, don't be discouraged. Keep trying. The next thing that you can do to help yourself get a grab box is to follow myself and Troy Young on Facebook. So you can do that by clicking on our names and going to our profiles. Then toward the top of our profile, you'll see the option to follow on Facebook. So you want to select that option. Then in a drop-down menu, there will be an option to see first in newsfeed. You want to select see first in newsfeed so that each time that we post in a group, whether it's about grab boxes, sales, or new products, our post will rise to the top and you'll be notified. So that will help you see grab box notifications as well. This tip is the most important thing probably in this entire video. So if you take anything from this video, listen to this tip. If you really, really want a grab box, we highly suggest clicking the link from either a laptop or a computer. And the reason is because you're going to be using the Facebook mobile app to be in our group. And the Facebook mobile browser is awful. It's going to screw you up and it's going to slow you down. So if you can, access the link through a laptop or computer. But if you can't, you can also hold down on the link and copy the link in the post when the grab boxes go on sale. Then go to your browser URL and paste the link in the browser so that you can go directly to the website. Another tip to get a grab box is long before grab boxes go on sale, go into your 651VINYL account and update all of your information. Update your name, your shipping address, your credit card information in case any of that has expired, or any information that you need to check out because you want to be as fast and efficient as possible. We also recommend that you pay with a saved credit card on your account. If you try to pay with PayPal, PayPal will likely redirect you on our site, and that's going to slow you down as well. So try to pay with one of those saved credit cards. Last but not least, make sure you remember that 651VINYL always operates on Eastern Time. So anytime we release a grab box or a sale, we are always going to operate in the Eastern Time zone. So set an alarm on your phone for a few minutes before grab boxes go on sale. That way you make sure you're in the group, refreshing the page, ready to see that post as soon as it's ready, but convert it to your time zone. And after that, may the odds be ever in your favor. I hope you get a grab box and I hope you're so excited about what you find inside. So first you should know that HTV grab boxes are typically between 4 and 5 pounds. And for these 4 to 5 pound grab boxes, we charge $61 for an HTV grab box. This is a ton of HTV, you guys. You are going to love this value. If you choose an adhesive vinyl grab box, it's going to be between 19 and 20 pounds. And that grab box costs $90 because that's a ton of vinyl. And if you're in the US, shipping on both HTV and adhesive grab boxes is free so long as they're over $50. If you're in Canada and you're interested in a grab box, give our customer service a call and they can give you a quote for shipping to Canada. Another thing you want to keep in mind with grab boxes is that they are completely different and random each time. You may have a box that every single sheet is different, or you may receive a box that half of the sheets are one thing and then the rest of the sheets don't repeat at all. So just be ready for a variety, be ready for a surprise. Just because we're opening this grab box does not mean that's what your grab box will look like. So now that you know what a grab box is and how to get one, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. So I'm just going to real carefully open my grab box. I'm going to start by doing the sides. And I'm just using a box cutter so it doesn't have a super long blade. Then I'm going to lift the two flaps up to keep it away from the vinyl to open my grab box nice and safely without hurting any of it. So the number on this bag is telling me that my grab box weighs 4.2 pounds. Let's unroll it and see what we've got. Ooh, you guys, I see some of my favorite patterns in here. Awesome. So in my first wave, I see that I have a ton of white easy weed, which is awesome. You can never have enough white easy weed. And it looks like maybe some stretch, probably some of that. And this looks like stretch. Ooh, here's some of our roses and berries, printed pattern HTV. Remember that if you get some printed pattern HTV, if your box doesn't already have some transfer mask, you need to buy some transfer mask to use it, or you can use old carrier sheet left over from other HTV projects. I love printed pattern. That is awesome. And here's some silver easy weed. Here's what I'm talking about with the high quality scraps. See, the edges of this scrap of vinyl are a little bit frayed, a little bit worn, but the whole rest of the sheet is perfectly usable. So that's awesome. Ooh, you guys, I see Vegas Gold. Vegas Gold is one of my absolute favorite easy weed colors. I think it's such a great muted gold for a project. And here's one of those instances where I have a bunch of the same color. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sheets of Vegas Gold. So I might not normally buy Vegas Gold in 16 sheets, but it's great to have, and I'll definitely use it now. Here's another strip of white easy weed. Oh gosh, and more white and black. Awesome. So here are several sheets of black easy weed. And pink. It's always good to have pink and purple. And this will match perfectly with the roses and berries print that I got. So that's awesome. Here's a couple of sheets of orange easy weed. A few more sheets of black. And this is a fun color. This is like a really, it's either a light gray or a light blue. And it's got some flaws in it, but right down this line, but the whole rest of the sheet is perfectly usable. And as you can see, these are pretty big sheets. They're not all just going to be little tiny scraps. They're going to be like half the full sheet. Ooh, you guys. Here's some rose gold, which I love. But ironically, I can't tell the difference whether it's Easy Weed or whether it's Easy Weed Electric. But luckily, Easy Weed and Electric both cut with the same cut and press settings. So either way, it's really pretty and I can't wait to use it. Here's some sheets of red. Ooh, and I got some more stretch. Awesome. Oh, sweet. Look at all the rest of the rose gold. There's tons of rose gold in this box. So as you can see, I got several sheets of the same thing, but I did get a pretty good variety of colors and patterns in this box. But no glitter or anything like that, but that's okay. Each box is a little bit different. So even if you get one grab box, you might want to try for another to get even more variety. But all in all, here's my full stack. That is a lot of vinyl for $61. So these things are an awesome value, and I'm so excited to get playing with all these things. Don't forget, if you get any printed pattern HTV in your box, that you either need to order some transfer mask to use it, or you can save old pieces of carrier sheet from other HTV projects. But I don't recommend that you use the carrier sheet from glitter because you will press glitter into your HTV. There you have it. That's what could be in your HTV grab box. If you want to see what's in an adhesive vinyl grab box, stay tuned for my next video and I'll show you what's inside one of those too. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing so we can hang out more often and craft all the time. I'm Alex Vanover. Let's craft again soon.